Hello fans, welcome to Susie Farms. Here we focus on agriculture, animal husbandry, aquaculture, and agribusiness, where we bring research to practice. Our products are purely organic, from the farm to the table, so we can eat healthy food. If you are new here, like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit on the notification bell. Permit us to serve you with some cola nut and palm wine so you can relax while watching. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Soon, it will be another planting season, and so many gardeners will need to choose what to plant in their garden. Yes, that choice is often not easy to make, especially when almost all vegetables are beneficial to the body. There are many factors to consider here, but make sure you choose what you can eat. If your garden is small, you can then narrow it down to what is most nutritive. Consider the availability at the grocery store too, and be prepared to take care of your plants. Today, I will share with you my number one on the list, Amaranth Greens, my superfood, my health booster. Amaranth is considered a superfood as both the leaves and the seeds are found to have many health benefits. Research shows that amaranth leaves are packed with protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. The seeds are also a good source of gluten-free protein. But today, we shall be sharing information on the health benefits of amaranth leaves only. It is very popular in Africa, Asia, and Central America. Come, follow us, let's do it. Amaranth leaves are much superior to most greens because they are a powerhouse of nutrients. The leaves and soft stems are a good economic source of carotenoids, protein, including the essential amino acid methionine and lysine, dietary fibers and minerals such as magnesium, calcium, potassium, copper, phosphorus, zinc, iron, and manganese. There are many reasons why you should make amaranth leaves a regular part of your garden and diet. Amaranth contains plenty of antioxidants like carotenoids and chlorophyll, along with other phytonutrients and antioxidants, which helps to reduce inflammation in the body and enhance health and wellness. 100 grams of greens contain just 23 calories. It contains only traces of fat and no cholesterol. Therefore, it is a very suitable diet for weight control. Amaranth leaves and soft stems contain soluble and insoluble fiber that helps us to reduce our weight as it lowers the cholesterol in the blood. Its high protein and fiber content also help to reduce appetite and consequently body weight. Its leaves are one of the richest sources of vitamin C. Just 100 grams of the leaves will meet 70% of our daily requirement for vitamin C. It has abundance of vitamin C that helps protect and maintain the body cells, promote healthy skin, blood vessels, cartilage, and bones, and helps to heal wounds. It also helps to reduce the effect of free radicals that are responsible for aging and may help fight against viral infections. Amaranth leaves have several vital antioxidant vitamins like vitamin A, beta-carotene, and lutein, which provide a protective layer against oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Vitamin A is also needed for healthy skin and proper vision. Consumption of vegetables and fruit rich in vitamin A and flavonoids may help the body to protect from lungs and oral cavity cancer. Grains have the highest concentration of vitamin K among all the edible green leafy vegetables. 100 grams of fresh greens provide 950% of daily vitamin K requirements. Vitamin K plays a vital role in blood clotting and also contributes to strengthening bone mass for healthy bones. Greens contain a good amount of vitamin B complex that helps prevent birth defects in newborn babies and are needed for optimal mental and physical health. Folate or folic acid is an important vitamin for pregnant women, which is vital in creating new cells. It also contains potassium, which is needed for good cardiac health. Potassium is an important component of the cell and body fluid that helps regulate heart rate and blood pressure. Amaranth leaves are rich in calcium and thus are beneficial for those who are suffering from osteoporosis and other bone health problems related to deficiency of calcium. Greens are a good source of manganese, which helps to create and activate enzymes in the body. These enzymes do a variety of things, including breaking down of food. Manganese has antioxidative properties in the body. Leaves also contain a good amount of iron, which is needed for producing red blood cells and also for cellular metabolism. Copper is also essential to blood cells formation. It is also rich in zinc, which is needed for proper growth and maintenance, digestion, and the development of the human body. Amaranth is packed with protein and is great for vegetarians. Receiving protein from a plant source is considered much healthier than obtaining it from an animal source because vegetables have very little or no fat and cholesterol. Eating amaranth leaves suppresses appetite as they are rich in protein. Having a protein-rich diet leads to suppression of hunger as it reduces insulin levels in the blood and keeps one feeling satiated. Greens are offered to those convalescing after an illness and those who are fasting as they are easy on the digestive system. The leaves could be helpful in treating diarrhea. Regular consumption has been known to benefit digestion. Garnet amaranth is one of the healthiest microgreens. A study conducted in the University of Maryland in 2012 shows that it is one of the top 4 microgreens that contain the highest level of vitamin A, C, E, and K. Amaranth leaves and grains are known as superfood because they are beneficial for almost every organ in the body. They contain a wide range of vitamins and minerals and is a good source of amino acid. Amaranth greens has more to offer than the other leafy green vegetables. It is easy to incorporate them in the diet as they taste well in stir fry or when combined with huckleberry leaves. We encourage you all to plant amaranth in your vegetable garden to reap all the health benefits it offers. Harvest fresh amaranth from your garden and enjoy its health benefits. I hope this information can be used by vegetable gardeners and consumers to make educated choices about the inclusion of microgreens as part of their garden and or diet. Vegetables should not be considered as treatment. If you are sick, you should visit your medical physician for a proper checkup, diagnosis, and treatment. Below, you will find some research papers on the benefit of eating amaranth. Kindly read them. Explore more other research on veggies and share your own information with us. We would love to read your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell to keep up with updates. See you next week.